Welcome to my channel. I will review Ultraloq U-Bolt Pro Wi-Fi Smart Lock with Door Sensor, 8-in-1 Keyless Entry Door Lock. About item. The most versatile 8-in-1 keyless entry door lock. Touch and go 360 degrees Fingerprint ID plus anti-peep keypad plus smartphone plus auto unlock plus web portal plus e-key sharing plus compatible with Apple Watch plus mechanical key. Share e-key or code remotely to your family, guests or service people for permanent access, specific dates or periods of time. Voice control with Alexa and Google Voice Assistant. Works with SmartThings and IFTTT. Smart Lock automatically locks if your door closes with a door sensor and unlocks when you arrive at your door with your smartphone in your pocket. You will get an alert via app when the door is left open. Replace your current deadbolt with just a screwdriver. Backed by Ultraloq, world's leading smart lock brand with more than 1 million happy American users. Plus lifetime mechanical warranty and 18 months electronic warranty. Thanks for watching. Get best price and discount this product. Click link in description.